Can I customize WhatsApp call filters to block specific contacts or numbers?
Hello, viewers. In today's guide, we'll be discussing a frequently asked question. Can I customize WhatsApp call filters to block specific contacts or numbers? Let's dive right in and explore the solution step by step.
Can I directly block calls from specific contacts?
Currently, WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct feature to block calls only while allowing messages. When you block a contact on WhatsApp, it blocks both calls and messages from that specific contact. However, you can still control who can call you indirectly by adjusting your settings.
How can I avoid unwanted calls without fully blocking a contact?
1. Mute notifications. You can mute notifications from a particular contact. While this doesn't prevent calls, it ensures you're not disturbed by notifications of the call. 2. Turn off Wi-Fi or data. When you don't wish to receive calls, you can go offline by turning off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. This method is effective, but remember, it also means you won't receive other internet-dependent notifications. 3. Use Do Not Disturb mode. If you're using an Android phone, you can set the Do Not Disturb mode and allow only priority calls. This method requires some tweaking in the phone's settings, but it's useful if you're trying to avoid distractions.
How can I fully block a contact?
If you've decided that you want to block a contact, both from calling and messaging you, follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to the specific chat with the contact you want to block. 2. Tap on the contact's name at the top. 3. Scroll down and choose Block Contact. Remember, once you block a contact, they cannot call or message you until you unblock them. That's a wrap. While WhatsApp doesn't offer a direct way to block calls only, you can use the above methods to ensure you aren't bothered by unwanted calls. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.